If you didn't already know it, getting food from farms to the marketplace sometimes takes a lot of teamwork and creativity. One group of Palouse area farmers got creative a few years ago and found out that green chickpeas offer a great tasting alternative to traditional hummus. I met with Ryan Davenport of Fresh Nature Foods to find out the history behind this superfood.
I think traditionally people have seen chickpeas when they've hit their dry state, so they have reached full maturity in the field. We supplied that market for a long time as chickpea growers, but we just, after years of walking the fields and popping those pods, and the chickpeas were so bright and fresh and green, we just felt like that might be a different market to look at for the product. Every chickpea starts green and it just dries tan. So if we harvest it fresh, it's full of moisture, full of its natural sugar and flavoring, so it doesn't have to be reconstituted. That's why we're doing a completely separate process with the washing, blanching, and flash freezing.
But getting their new product to grocery store shelves took some teamwork with our neighbors. The farmers found a processor just across the border in Oregon that would process the chickpeas, and it's been a great partnership ever since.
What is unique to you about Fresh Nature Foods?
Besides just that we're the only company in the world doing fresh chickpeas that we know of, we don't just farm the chickpeas. That's part of our model, but we call it seed to serve. So we take the product from the moment we seed it in the ground, through the growing process, through the processing, working with our third-party manufacturers, and then we do all the direct sales and marketing. We want to keep the integrity, the sustainable, all-natural, healthy attributes of the green chickpea through our finished goods.
Can you show me the whole process of this, how it
Yeah,
works?
we'd love to show you the whole process. We'll start from the top and work our way through the plant.
Okay.
The first step is to get the bounty from the field to the plant.
This shaker table, what it's doing is cleaning the debris off the top, allowing the chickpeas that we want to keep to cycle the way down through, down to the next level where we'll have additional cleaning equipment.
Then the chickpeas go inside.
From here, they'll flow further down in the plant. We'll go through a few more cleaning sections and then towards the blanchers.
They get lots of cleaning.
They get lots of cleaning, yep, lots of cleaning.
After they get blanched, they are sorted by color to select the best green chickpeas in the batch. Once the best are chosen, they're flash frozen in 90 seconds and put in packaging to be sent to manufacturers around the world, where they're used in salads, falafel cakes, and of course, green hummus.
So we've seen the product go through the entire process. From there, it's went to another site where it's been pureed and made into a super fresh hummus.
And I like the color of it.
Yeah, that's one of the biggest things again is the whole focus is on the fresh chickpea. You will go, I didn't know hummus could be so fresh. So this is one of our first branded items. It's under our label. We're in several hundred stores here in Washington State. So you can find it. It's a great local product.
That is so good. I eat a lot of hummus, and I'm going to eat a lot of that because it's delicious.
Yeah.
Thank you for sharing.
You bet. Thanks for coming.
Yeah.